Really? I'm making round. Painting fast?
Mm-hmm.
How painting fast?
Painting fast? Take your time, Aiden. You're doing really good. Look at all the colors you've used.
Oh, mine is like this one.
Yeah, purple.
Whoa.
Purple.
More.
More? Oh,
Okay.
that's nice.
I lots of them.
Mm-hmm.
I lots.
Lots of them, huh?
I like lots of these.
I like lots of these too.
I like lots. Oh, lots?
Lots of paint. Neat.
Whoa, pink, you, green.
Very nice. Green.
I like these.
I like those too, Aiden. You're doing a good job. Hey, hey, hey.
Ooh.
Aiden, do you want him to paint your paper?
No.
Well,
I like it.
little bit.
This little bit.
Okay, well, don't get mad when he paints yours a little bit. Huh, Max?
I like lots of this.
Yes.
I like lots of.
That's nice, huh? With lots of paint?
Now lots of max. Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Let me see. Whoa. Wow. Look at all those colors.
Lots colors now.
Should we put it on the refrigerator or should we give it to Grandma?
Give it to Mama.
You think she'll like it?
Yeah. Take us back home now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. Washable. There you go.
Like that.
You guys want more paper?
No, painting. But it is.
Do you want more paper to paint on?
Ah! Don't take it more. Painting.